So guys, today we at Waterfall Arms and Outdoor for the first Tactical Thursday, and a very exciting one today. We're going to have a look at the Radical firearm, the Radical AR-15, and this one has a 10.5 inch barrel. So first we're going to unbox it. As you guys can see, this box is still sealed, so we're going to unbox it and give you a true view of the Radical AR-15, and then we're going to take some first shots on the range as well, just to get a first shot impression, and yeah, let's see how it goes. But before that, let's get into the box and see what you get when you buy a Radical AR-15. The trusty old Leatherman. So guys, as you can see, open it, there's a nice foam piece at the top, and then getting into the box, it comes with one steel magazine, a lock that no one ever uses, nice Radical sticker, and here we go. So this is the 10.5 variant, and as you guys can see, it's got a B5 stock and a B5 grip, a nice rail system that comes with a Picatinny on all sides, and what I like about this is it also comes with a forward assist, and standard charging handle, standard mil-spec trigger that will work in after the first shots, and standard A2 birdcage. So this is what you'll get with the Radical firearms AR-15. I think let's hit the range and see what this bad boy can do. See that Radical firearms is made in Texas. Let's see if it can run like a Texas gun. This thing definitely runs like a Texas gun. This Radical AR-15 definitely lives up to its standards.